let's go ahead and get these hubs prepped so that we can put them back on the differential. Let me show you what we got going on right now. So you want to make sure that you pre-lube the bearing, because it's going to take a while before gear lube makes it all the way down the tube and to the hub. And then we can go ahead and press our seal in. Now we can press our seal in place. An arbor press makes short work of that. A thin coat of lube. We want to make sure that we don't damage the seal on install. Same thing on the axle housing. Help assist getting that seal in place. Then we can go ahead and flip the hub over. Apply some lube to the outer bearing. And when we install this, I'm going to hold it like so and keep my thumbs on the inner bearing, and that just keeps all of this rocking motion away from the seal during the install. Then we can go ahead and put our nut in place. Now with our nut tightened up, and we look at how tight that hub is, we have everything seated, but it cannot go down the road with the hub being that tight. Now if we look at this flat here on the axle housing and the one on the nut, there are only so many to choose from. So let's go ahead and back this nut up until the hub spins freely. And now the hub spins freely without an over amount of pressure or preload being placed on the bearings. At this point, we can install the key and the lock ring. Key looks like this. And our locking ring. Make sure the locking ring sits all the way back against the key and the nut. And now we can install our axle. Now we want to go ahead and wipe off the flange surface with some brake clean. Make sure there's no oil on there. And we're going to apply a thin layer of Right Stuff. Now we can go ahead and install the axle. Torque your axle bolts to 95 foot-pounds. At this point, you can go ahead and reassemble the disc brakes on this particular differential, fill it up with fluid, and take it out for a test drive. Well guys, there you have it. Set of rear wheel seals on a 2008 Dodge Ram 3/4 ton with a 6.7 Cummins. Pretty straightforward project. If you guys want to see stuff like the brakes and all of the kind of side work, I try to stick mostly to the differential, transmission, and transfer case stuff, but if you guys want to see it, let me know in the comments below.